From the consecutive integers minus 10 to 10 inclusive. So we have a set starting from minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, etc. 3, 2, 1, 0. They are all negative. Then 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 8, 9, 10. We have this set in which the total terms will be 21. 10 negative values, 10 positive values, and 1 is 0. 20 integers are randomly chosen with repetitions allowed, so the same number can be chosen. Okay, 20 integers are randomly chosen with repetitions allowed. What is the least possible value of the product of the 20 integers? Alright, so we have to minimize the product. Now, when product needs to be minimized, then what should be our straight targets? Number one is the result should be negative if possible, and it's absolutely possible. Now the question is, when will the results be negative? When the number of odd integers, the number of negative integers is odd. That means you can take one negative and 19 positive values for this to be true, and it doesn't matter that how many negative and how many positive. I mean whether you increase the number of negative values, because the absolute values are exactly same on the negative side as they are on the positive side. So to make it simpler, I'm just saying the result will be negative when we take one negative and all the remaining values positive. That's one target. The second target is that absolute value of the result should be maximum, right? For example, absolute value minus 50 is smaller than minus 40. So the absolute value should be as big as possible. Minus 50 is smaller than minus 40, but the absolute value is bigger. So on the negative side, if the absolute value is bigger, the result will be minimized. So we have to take care of these two particular rules now. So what we can do is that the total 20 values that we have to consider, we have to take one negative values and we have to take 19 positive values. So, and we have to maximize the absolute values. So why not just take all the 19 values to be 10, because we can take, so it becomes 10 raised to the power 19. And one negative value, I have to maximize the absolute value and the result should be negative, so I'm taking minus 10. Now if you multiply these 20 values, the result is negative and the absolute value is 10 to the power 20. So that's what my answer should be, which is clearly available in option E. So that becomes our answer. Thank you so much.